Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about two fundamental concepts in thermodynamics, the second law of thermodynamics and entropy. Let's explore what makes them so essential to understand energy system. And the second law of thermodynamics states that energy moves in one way and that energy changes are never completely efficient. For instance, if you leave a hot cup of coffee in a room, the heat from the coffee will move to the cooler air until they both reach the same temperature. Energy always goes from area of high temperature to low temperature. The second law also applies to engine. Not all the energy from fuel turns into movement. Some of it is always lost as heat. This is unavoidable loss shows the limitation of energy system. Now, let's talk about entropy, a concept closely linked to the second law of thermodynamics. Entropy measures the disorder and randomness in a system. It helps explain why natural processes always tend toward greater disorder. A simple example is melting ice. In its solid state, the water molecules in ice are neatly arranged in a fixed structure, but when the ice melts, the molecule becomes disorganized, moving freely in the liquid state. The increase in disorder is an increase in entropy. Here is another example. Imagine you have a tidy room. Over time, without effort, it naturally becomes messy as items are moved around. This increase in disorder shows the concept of entropy in nature, where entropy always increases unless work is done to reverse it. This is why, in energy system, we can't entirely prevent losses like waste heat. Heat engine show how the second law works. This machine turns heat into useful work, but they always lose some heat to the surrounding. For example, a steam engine heats water to make steam, which then moves a compressor to produce power. Some of the heat from the steam leak into the environment can't be used again. The thermal efficiency of an engine shows how well it turns heat into work, but no engine can be completely efficient at 100%. This is why engineers try to make energy system better but not perfect. The second law of thermodynamics and entropy are important for understanding energy system. They explain why perpetual motion machines, which are devices that could run forever without needing energy, cannot exist. This idea helps engineers create efficient machines such as power plant, refrigerator, and air conditioner. Beyond practical application, this principle even describes large-scale phenomena, like the heat death of the universe, which is when all energy is spread out equally and nothing can work anymore. In summary, the second law of thermodynamics and entropy are important ideas that help us understand energy and how nature works. The second law explains that energy changes always go in particular direction and that no process can be 100% efficient. Entropy shows that disorder in any system will always grow over time. This idea helps us improve things like engine and refrigerator, and they also show us important truth about how the world works, from everyday life to the way change in space over time.